High in the mountains of Pakistan, nature sometimes unleashes its fury in the form of a sudden and deadly phenomenon, the cloudburst. Within minutes, peaceful valleys are turned into raging torrents, leaving destruction in their wake. Houses are swept away, roads are crumbled, and entire communities find themselves grappling with the aftermath of a deluge that seems to come out of nowhere. But what exactly is a cloudburst, and why does Pakistan face such an unusual and devastating natural disaster? A cloudburst occurs when extremely heavy rainfall falls over a small area in a very short time, often more than 100 millimeters in just 1 hour. It's like a heavy downpour, except much more intense and localized. Imagine standing under a leaky tap, a few drops here and there, not too bad. But now picture the tap suddenly bursting, unleashing a torrent of water that quickly fills up your surroundings. That's the kind of deluge we're talking about. This sudden gush of water overwhelms rivers, streams, and drainage systems almost instantly, leading to a flash flood. And because it all happens so quickly, there's often little or no warning. You might wonder why we call it a cloudburst when the heavy rains associated with it don't necessarily start in clouds. The term refers to the suddenness and forcefulness of the rainfall, which can feel like a burst of water from the clouds overhead. While these downpours can occur anywhere, certain regions around the world, including parts of Pakistan, are particularly susceptible to them. And Pakistan has been hit hard by cloudbursts in recent years. In July 2021, a cloudburst in Islamabad's Sector E11 turned streets into rivers within minutes. In several cities of Pakistan, entire villages have been washed away by cloudbursts, displacing thousands and causing immense devastation. But why is Pakistan so prone to these sudden bursts of rainfall? The answer lies in the unique geography of the northern regions of the country: Gilgit-Baltistan, Khyber, Pakhtunkhwa, and Azad Kashmir. These regions are situated in the foothills of the Himalayas and the Karakoram mountain ranges. This means they are at the receiving end of moist winds coming from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. As these winds travel across the plains of India, they pick up moisture in the form of water vapor. When they reach the foothills, the air rises rapidly due to a process called convection. As the air rises, it cools, causing the water vapor to condense and form clouds. Under the right conditions, these clouds can release massive amounts of rainfall in a short period of time, leading to cloudbursts. Pakistan isn't alone in facing this challenge. Cloudbursts are a common occurrence in other mountainous regions around the world, such as the foothills of the Himalayas in India and China, the Alps in Europe, and the Andes in South America. However, the impact of cloudbursts can vary depending on factors like population density, land use, and disaster preparedness. The impact of cloudbursts on the people of Pakistan is devastating. Families lose loved ones, and sometimes entire communities are wiped off the map. Homes are destroyed, livestock is washed away, and essential infrastructure like roads and bridges collapse. This leaves many cut off from emergency relief and medical services. Survivors often face a long road ahead, dealing with food shortages, lack of clean water, damaged crops, and shattered livelihoods. It's a stark reminder of the raw power of nature and the fragility of life in the face of such extreme weather events. According to experts, climate change is likely to make such extreme weather events more frequent and intense. Here's what's happening. As global temperatures rise, glaciers in the Hindu Kush Himalayas melt faster, releasing more water into the system. At the same time, warmer temperatures lead to more moisture being present in the atmosphere. When this moisture condenses, it can result in more intense rainfall events, including cloudbursts. This means that, in a warming world, the risk of these sudden massive downpours may increase, posing a greater threat to communities like those in the northern regions of Pakistan. To tackle this issue, Pakistan needs a multi-pronged approach that includes early warning systems, better urban planning, and community preparedness. Early warning systems can provide timely alerts to residents, allowing them to take cover and reducing the impact of flash floods. Furthermore, educating and training communities on disaster preparedness, first aid, and search and rescue operations can equip people with the knowledge and skills to respond effectively in times of crisis. By taking these steps, Pakistan can better manage the risks associated with cloudbursts and protect its citizens from the devastating consequences of these extreme weather events. So how can we better prepare for cloudbursts? One crucial step is establishing effective early warning systems. This involves setting up networks of rain gauges, weather stations and monitoring systems that can provide real-time data on rainfall intensity and volume. When these systems detect a cloudburst, sirens, loudspeakers, and mobile phone alerts can be activated, giving people a precious window to seek higher ground or shelter. Such advanced warning systems have been successfully implemented in various countries, including Japan, which has a high risk of rainfall-induced disasters. Another essential measure is strengthening drainage and flood channels. By investing in robust infrastructure, cities and towns can ensure that excess water is quickly diverted away from populated areas. This includes building larger drains, deepening existing channels, and creating retention ponds that can store excess water during a cloudburst. Regular maintenance of these channels is also vital to ensure they function effectively. Furthermore, promoting nature-based solutions, such as restoring wetlands and floodplains, can help absorb excess water during a cloudburst. These natural areas act like sponges, soaking up large volumes of water and releasing it gradually, reducing the risk of flooding. Urban planning and land use also play a crucial role in mitigating the impact of cloudbursts. By designating certain areas as green spaces or parks, cities can create zones that can absorb excess water. Implementing building codes that consider the risk of flooding and encouraging the use of permeable surfaces such as porous asphalt can further reduce the impact of heavy rainfall. However, perhaps even more important than physical infrastructure is community preparedness. Educating people about the risks of cloudbursts and teaching them what to do when one occurs can save lives. This includes raising awareness through public campaigns, conducting drills in schools and workplaces and training, volunteers in first aid and search and rescue operations. In essence, Pakistan needs a comprehensive strategy that combines advanced technology, robust infrastructure, and an informed and prepared citizenry. By taking these steps, the country can better navigate the challenges posed by cloudbursts, ensuring the safety and well-being of its people, while preserving the beauty and wonder of its mountainous landscapes. As we conclude our discussion on cloudbursts in Pakistan, it's crucial to acknowledge the broader implications of this phenomenon. Cloudbursts are a powerful reminder of the incredible forces of nature that shape our planet and the challenges that arise from the interplay between human activity and the environment. While Pakistan faces the brunt of these extreme weather events today, similar threats exist in other regions worldwide. The frequency and intensity of such natural disasters are expected to rise due to climate change, urging us all to take proactive measures. As we look ahead, let's advocate for stronger early warning systems, more resilient infrastructure, and sustainable land management practices. By working together, we can better prepare for the challenges posed by cloudbursts and similar natural disasters, ensuring the safety and well-being of communities around the globe. Let's strive to build a future where we coexist harmoniously with nature, respecting its power and taking steps to mitigate its potential threats. Together, we can create a safer and more resilient world for present and future generations. Thank you for joining me on this journey of discovery, and let us continue to explore and understand the fascinating world around us.